Now I've taken some time to customize my website a bit based on the previous videos that we've already looked at. I've added in some pages, I've added some posts, I went ahead and selected a theme, and I went to my appearance menu and selected the custom option for this particular theme. Now you can see this is starting to look more like a web design website, but there's still some things that we need to do. You see that there's still some boxes here that haven't been customized on the home page. There's also some testimonials here that we need to add in. You'll see that it tells you what to do. We go to the widgets section, but we'll be getting to that here shortly. But I wanted to show you how this is starting to come together. So hopefully your website is starting to come together if you're following this as we go. Now going back to the dashboard, I want to talk about setting up your menu. First, let's look at the menu on this site. You'll see here this menu follows as you scroll, but you'll see I've added a few pages, and this particular theme automatically is adding my pages to the menu. However, I don't particularly like that order because that is not the order that I would want a customer to go through. I want them looking at my services first. So let's look at how to set up your menu. Returning to your dashboard, you can go back to the appearance menu and select menus. Now here you'll see the default menu, and as I mentioned, this particular theme already adds in the menus. So you can call this main menu, you can call this menu 1 as they have, whatever you would like. That way if you'll be creating multiple menus, let's say one for your sidebar and one for your footer, you can create separate menus for each. To add a page to your menu, so let's say that this particular page, the About page, was not there. I can click on, under Pages, About. This will list all of the pages that you have created and simply click Add to Menu. If you would like a particular menu to link to an external site, let's say, you can click the link. So here we have Contact Us, Portfolio, whatever the name of the link will be, and click Add to Menu. And if you would like to add your blog, you can simply do that by clicking the category, if you've created multiple categories that you'd like, and click Add to Menu. Now what I can do is I can go in and customize each one. Here I don't want to have an uncategorized menu, so I can change this to say blog. But now here's where I can reorder. Remember where services was last? I want services to be first. Then I would like for users to be able to see my portfolio. Then they can read the content on my blog, they can find out more about me, and then contact me in the end. Now I can click Create Menu, and that is going to be the main menu on your website. Now if I go back to my site and I refresh, I see that the pages did not rearrange, and I'll show you why. If that happens to you, you'll scroll down here and under Menu Settings, you'll see that you have a Theme Locations primary menu, and the primary menu is going to be in your header. So I want to select that and click Save. Now returning to my site, I refresh again, and now there we have it. Now my menu is in order. You can choose to remove the home menu, as a lot of people nowadays are getting accustomed to just clicking on the logo, and that will take them back to the home page. So that's up to you. If you want to remove it, you can simply click on the drop down, click Remove, and save your menu, and it will disappear. If you plan on having a drop-down menu, so let's say you want your blog to come under your About menu, you can simply drag it over to the right, and you'll see this dotted box in the background moving over. That means it will become a drop-down menu. So you can save the menu, return to your site, refresh again, hover over About, and now you have a drop-down menu for blog. So there you have it. That's all you have to do to create a menu in WordPress.